This is a full PC right here. Put this shit together. All right, bet. This is my second PC build, and my last PC, top of the market, was like the 1080 Ti. So it was a long time ago, maybe 6 years ago, and this is pretty much a new experience. First, we're gonna go with the 7900 XTX by Radeon. Okay! AMD 7800X 3D. The chip. Standard Samsung 2TB M.2. G.Skill. Just RAM, really. 32 gigabytes. Go like that with it. Time for the motherboard. Raw. CPU cooler. PCU. Cables. Standard. Shit, man. Case. Let's install a CPU. Now let's do the CPU cooler. Found a bigger one. Let's install some RAM. Now we do M.2. Now, let's get the case involved. Motherfuckers. The big dog, you feel me? Ow. After more time and cables and power management, we done. And there she is. All pretty and shit.